So this is going to be the third chapter on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So what you're going to do is find a color that matches the centerpiece on the sides. So let's find it. So here it is, orange, and we're going to look at the color underneath it. So the as you can see, it's yellow, and let's find the yellow color. So here it is. So when the yellow color is over here, you turn it to the away from the color. So since the color is over here, you turn it to away, so to the left and down and back and up. So the piece is broken, so what you're going to do is going to fix. So that's going to be the same as chapter 2. Back, down, and up. So as you can see, it's solved. So now we're going to find another piece. So it is. So yeah, let's see here. So white and red. So the red is over here. So we're going to turn it away from the red. So and down, back, and up. So the piece is broken. And now we're going to fix it. So it's the same as chapter 2. Down, back, and up. So let's find another piece. So it is. And it's the color is red. Now let's find red. So here's red. And let's turn it away from red. Down, back, and up. So the piece is broken. So what you're going to do is to fix it. So since the green is over in the left, so we're turning to the right. Down, back, and up. So as you can see, the piece is solved. So yeah. So let's do that again so that we can master it. So let me scramble it for a second. So we've scrambled the cube again so that we can practice it. So let's find it. Let's solve it again. So let's find the color. It is orange. Let's see the color underneath it. It's yellow. So let's find yellow. Yellow is here. And it's since the yellow is here, you turn it away from yellow and down, back, and up. So the piece is broken. So what we're gonna do is fix it. So away, down, back, and up. So let's find another color. Here it is. Yellow, orange, and white. So since white's over, we turn it away from white. And down from where white is, back and up. So the piece is broken, you're going to fix it. Same as chapter 2. Boom. Let's find another piece. As you can see, it's not connected. Now, let's find the color underneath it. It's yellow, so turn it away, down, back, and up. Since it's broken, you need to fix it. Back. So as you can see, it's now solved. Now let's solve a piece where you can connect a color. So let's see here, just like this. So, and if you encounter a case that that is connected here, but color is not on its sides, what you're going to do is just do. Okay, so we just got cut off there shortly. So let's continue. So what I was going to say is, if you encounter a case where you can't see a color that's on its sides, what you're going to do is just do the same pattern, but bring down the piece where it's not solved yet. So it's like this. So there's that piece that's not solved. So away, down, back, and up. Now it's broken. You fix it again. Way down, back, and up. So as you can see, let's see if we see a coordinates. Here it is. So I see a color that's can be solved. So let's turn it away, down, back, and up. It's broken. And now let's solve it. Way down, back, and up. So that will be. So that's going to be the chapter 3 of how to solve a Rubik's cube. So yeah.